It has the perfect stance. 1990 Ford Mustang LX Coupe, 45,000 miles, 5-liter AOD. Let's take it for a test drive. Surprise, surprise, surprise. It's Michael from PC Classic Cars in another kick-ass Fox body. This is a 1990 Ford Mustang LX Coupe, obviously. It is a documented 45,976 actual mile car. Has its original fuel-injected 5-liter. Has AOD automatic overdrive transmission. You got cold factory AC. And you have some really cool suspension and brake upgrades. So you do have your original steering setup, works fantastic, but the brakes have been upgraded. It's got a Wilwood drilled slotted rotor. It's got disc brakes all the way around, so it stops great. And then what's really cool is it has basically 4-corner adjustable suspension. You got adjustable coilovers up front. You also have caster camber plates, and then you do have full adjustable coilovers in the rear as well. Part of the reason why this car has an absolute menacing stance. It just sits perfect for a Fox body. Don't know if you could make it look any better when it comes to a stance on one of these. Being that this does have full aftermarket suspension and adjustable coilovers all the way around, the ride is a little bit stiffer than it would be from a factory Fox body. Not that it's a bad ride, just more of a road feel, kind of a stiffer suspension. Still very comfortable to drive this car though. The Carfax on this does have a minor. There is actually an insurance piece of paperwork where it had just minor cosmetic damage on the passenger rear quarter, and it had a little bit of paint work on the passenger rear quarter, and then same thing with the rear bumper. All of the VIN tags are still all the way around the car except for the rear bumper one. Most common one that's missing because of road grime. They take the stickers get kicked off throughout the years, but all of the rest of your VIN tags, front bumper, front fenders, bottom of the hood, both doors, both on the rear quarter panels and the deck lid, all of those are there. Just the rear bumper's not there. And again, the minor that was reported on the Carfax was most likely just a cosmetic thing on the rear quarter where they had to do a little bit of paint work. There's nothing that's been replaced, still all the original body panels, just a very minor. And when it is on a Carfax that listed as a minor, it's usually just a cosmetic flaw, and that's what you're gonna have, that's what's gonna pop up on the Carfax if someone does claim a little cosmetic thing on there. So this does have that, but other than that, Carfax is clean. Miles are true and accurate. It is a documented 45,000 mile car, have the original window sticker, all kinds of great original paperwork that goes with it, receipts for everything. So really good paperwork. You'll see photos of that in the additional information section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. The Carfax will also be in there so you guys can check that out. As far as the interior goes, it's code AB, which is going to be your light crystal blue interior. Buckets, console, obviously. Very clean, very original in here. The only item I have listed is not working is going to be the parking brake. It's all there, but it doesn't hold. So when you pull it and you still move forward, so the parking brake will need some work. Other than that, everything's ready to go on it. Air's cold, heat blows hot, all your gauges and lights, all that stuff functions properly. Seat covers are in fantastic condition. Floor mats are great. Carpet's in good shape. On the interior, two of the cool things, you have your map light, and look at that, the map light still works, and your little dome light. All that stuff functions like it should, which is really cool. So really well sorted Mustang LX Coupe. The only item, again, is gonna be your parking brake that needs some adjustment. Ashtray door opens and closes great. No problems with any of that stuff. But we're warmed up. We'll go ahead and get in the throttle once this car goes by. Try to keep the tires on it. And unfortunately, we have a Ford Escape in front of us, so we can't keep getting into the throttle, but we'll get an opportunity here in a little bit. As far as the underneath goes, no issues of any kind. It shows great. Again, with the minor on the Carfax, there is no metal work done that we can see. It all looks OE factory, all original body panels. Again, all of your VIN tags outside of the rear bumper one. But I do believe the bumper to still be the original bumper. So no problems of any kind on the bottom. On the exhaust, you do have aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket mufflers and tailpipes. The tailpipes are a little bit larger than I would personally go with. And on the passenger side, tailpipe on the gas tank plastic cover, it is really close and it's getting a little warm on that plastic cover. So it kind of warped that little plastic a little bit, but that's just the cover, so not a real issue, just kind of a nitpicky thing there. On the exterior, it's code MA, which is going to be your, again, crystal blue. So you have crystal blue exterior and crystal blue interior. Paint is all original outside of, again, looks like the bumper, the rear bumper, and that passenger quarter have had a little bit of work done, a little paint work. Paint shows great. You do have a few little dings on the top of the hood, and then a couple little miscellaneous little dings and imperfections around the car. And there's a little door ding on the passenger door over there. A PDR guy could get most of that stuff out. And then you do have the little imperfections, the little touch-ups around the car, but it still shows great. You'll see photos of all that stuff in the additional information section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. So make sure you guys check that out. Really kick-ass looking wheel and tire combo. I believe the tires are 2020 or 2021. No dry rot, no cracking, no problems of any kind. I will say with two people in the car, the way that it's currently set up with the coilovers, you will get a little tire rub in the front. You could raise it up just a little bit to take away just a little bit of that stance. But with two people in the car, you do get a little tire rub up front. Suspension, again, performs great. You got aftermarket control arms in the rear. You got the 4-corner adjustable coilovers. You got the Maxim Motorsport caster camber plates. Suspension is nice and tight. All really good quality equipment was used when they did the suspension on this car. Steering is tight again. Car goes exactly where you want it to go. Very responsive. Driving position is great. Seat foam is super comfortable. No real wear items on the seats at all. Go ahead and downshift again so we can manually shift the gears. Wind it up a little bit further. Get a little exhaust note there for you. Inside the trunk is OE factory back there. Nothing is out of place. It shows great. And same thing when you pop the hood. The engine bay is very clean. It has the original 5-liter that this car was born with. All your fluids look good. Charging system's doing its job. Nothing is out of place in the engine bay. This is a prime candidate to do one of two things. Do absolutely nothing and drive the frickin' wheels off of it because it's an absolutely killer car. Or two, do a power adder, pro charger, some kind of supercharger. Would just be absolutely killer with all of the suspension stuff already done on this one. It's a really good looking car. Forgot to mention you do have the little lower aftermarket side skirts and then the little chin spoiler up front. Just a tough looking Mustang. And there you guys have it. This is an absolutely killer 1990 Ford Mustang LX Coupe. I'm Michael. This is a killer 1990 Ford Mustang LX Coupe with 45,984 documented miles. Full aftermarket suspension, cold AC from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out the content we're posting across all of our social platforms every single day. Check out that additional information section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a great weekend.